I was editing this video, I don't think I was very clear about why this dent was glue pulled. So the reason why is because it's really obstructed. Then I realized I have the exact same door at the back of my shop. So let's go take a look at it and I'll show you exactly why. So here's the a Tesla Model 3 right rear door, and our dent was, pardon me, right around there. So let's take a look inside the door now. I've got this door flipped around, and I back up. This is the bottom, and then that's the top there, and this is that obstruction I was telling you about earlier. It's kind of a box section, so you could get some tools maybe underneath here. It's a little bit tight, but not ideal at all. And just imagine like trying to reach around the door to get in there while you're looking at the outside. It's to get that any kind of precision like in that situation is really tough. If you look in the back, yeah, there is a hole just to the upper left up there where that tape is, but not a great angle. And that's it for this brace. There's nothing else in here. So it's not ideal, right? So yeah, glue pulling is really handy in this situation. It's really hard to do on aluminum, but the juice is worth the squeeze in this case.